Good morning, students. Today we will have our revision class on the same chapter, Leaving the Valley. Okay, and you need to read the chapter once again, and you need to reflect your understanding through your writing the answers of the questions, right? So before I start today's discussion, you all know, though I know that you all know the fact that you need to open the study material, then you need to try to answer the questions, and then you need to come back here to listen to the discussion, right? So you need to do that. And before I start my discussion, I'd like to answer Shreya Singh. Shreya Singh has asked that Shreya Singh Machi, she asked that the meaning of the word uncertainty. Uncertainty is means when you are not certain about something. Yes, you are uncertain, rather means you are not very sure, you are in a doubt what's going to happen next. When you are not sure about the fact that what is going to happen next, that is called uncertain. Yes, so when I hope you are answered. And another one, Anupam Malik. Anupam has asked wait a bit. Anupam asked, he has asked that he couldn't understand. Okay, so Anupam, in vocation poem, in appreciation part, we are having imagery, right? Imagery, I described that imagery is the usage of word or language rather that makes us the description to be visualized. The description is in such a vivid way, in such a way that as if we can see the picture of the particular scene. Okay, for example, if it is the line as it is mentioned in the poem also, when you find that the boy was observing the lamppost. Yes, the lamppost was standing over. As soon as I utter the word lamppost, see, you can have the picture of the lamppost within your mind. Yes, so the usage of the word, usage of the words as well as the entire sentence, the language is in such a way that the description seems to be like a picture. Okay, so that is the part in appreciation. Again, I would request you to follow the class once again, where I have described it quite lucidly, and you need to watch that video once again, right? So you watch the video once again, then again if you cannot understand, please let me know. I will try to highlight once again, right? So now let us focus on this question today, that how does this extract means I am Malala, whatever the extract is taken. So whatever is given in our textbook, that particular extract, how does this extract show that education and learning were important to Malala? So she, I know you all have started guessing the answer. Yes, it will be, see, if you have gone through the chapter very well, at the very beginning she has mentioned, that there was local Taliban attacks, and the people, some of the people, they were against the education of girl child, or rather woman. So there she gives the first hint. Then in this complete extract, she has mentioned several times that how she used to miss her school, her books. Yes, so she has even her school bag. She has even mentioned that the school bag is the most precious thing to her. Yes, she has mentioned all these things several times. Even wherever she shifted, though she was uncertain about her future, what is going to happen next, but still she was in a way out to continue her studies. Yes, wherever she shifted, we have observed her to continue with her education. She took admission in a school. Yes, so means she was always for education and learning. Along with that, the poem she selected to recite, that also proves that she needs to means she compared herself to be she compared herself with a diamond that goes through several processes to get its proper structure. Means she has to prove herself. So all these things are the hints that shows that education and learning were most important to Malala, right? Now the next question is, if you had to leave your home as Malala had to, what would you miss the most? So now it depends. Yes, the answer will definitely vary. Now it depends on the way you feel like. Yes, so I know this answer is completely, it should be completely written by you only. It should be completely your own answer, and I will be eagerly waiting for those answers. But still, I will give you some clues, some hints. Like, if you are forced to leave your home, you will definitely try to write your answer in a way that we can understand through your answer. While going through your answers, we can understand that you all have gone through the chapter very well. Yes, there must be a bit, it's just a suggestion there. It sounds good if there is a link with the text also. So obviously you will miss the greenery, the trees. Yes, you will definitely miss your school, the school where you are reading now. You will miss your teachers, you will miss your library of your school, as well as the library you are having at your home. You are definitely going to miss your neighbors. If you have been pet, okay, or some stray dogs whom you suppose you were used to feed them every day, so you are going to miss all of them, right? You are going to miss the roads and everything, road, lane, wherever. If you are forced to leave your home, that means you are forced to leave the entire area as well. So whatever is important to you in that particular area, and as well as your home, as well as your uh, and everything, your school, everything, whatever it comes to you as the most important, you will be mentioning over here. So this is the discussion for today. I hope it will be fruitful, and you all will definitely do your works. Okay, now if you face any kind of problem, please let me know, and you need to follow my classes regularly to get your answers. So take very good care of yourself, keep on doing your works, keep on writing these answers in your own words, and I will be definitely eagerly waiting for you all to meet once again, right? Till then, take very good care of yourself. Goodbye. Thank you.